Welcome back to the MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the drop-down field. The drop-down field helps you turn long or complex choices into a clean, simple menu that users can pick from. In MakeForms, you can either create your own list of options or use built-in predefined lists for things like countries, time zones, and more. To begin, add a drop-down field to your form. Let's start with the basic settings. At the top, you'll see the required field toggle. When it's enabled, the user must select an option before they can submit the form. If they skip it, MakeForms will show an error message and prevent submission. Placeholder text appears inside the drop-down before the user selects an option. It acts as a short hint, guiding them with lines like, select from the list or choose an option. The moment the user makes a choice, the placeholder disappears, keeping the field clean and easy to read. Turn on the helper text toggle if you want to add extra guidance. You'll see two options appear: placement and text. Type your helper message, then choose how you want it to appear. Under placement, you can show it as a small info icon that reveals the message when users hover on it. If you prefer it to be always visible, place the helper text right below the field for quicker clarity. Now let's look at the most important part of the drop-down field, predefined lists. Every drop-down starts in custom mode, where you can type your own options. For example, if your question is, which plan would you like to choose? You can add options like basic, standard, and premium. Now the drop-down will show these choices in the same order, giving users a clear list to pick from. If you have more than just a few options, there's a faster way to set them up. For that, you can use the bulk add option. Click bulk add, then paste or type your list with each value separated by commas, and save. MakeForms will automatically convert each entry into a separate drop-down option in the same order you added them. But MakeForms takes this much further. When you switch to a predefined list, the drop-down is ready to use in seconds. Just choose option from the list. If you ever want to tweak a predefined list, turn on editing and it switches to custom mode so you can add, remove, or update any item. You can use predefined lists for country, country plus state, or country plus state plus city. All the data is managed inside MakeForms. If your form is limited to one country, you can pick state plus city, then select the country. Now only states and cities from that country will load. This keeps your drop-downs accurate, focused, and easy to maintain. Let's move back to custom mode. Next is the multi-level drop-down, and we'll cover that in the next video. Turn on multi-select if you want users to pick more than one option. For example, if the question is, which hobbies do you have? You can add reading, music, travel, and gaming. Users can select multiple hobbies from the same drop-down, and each selected value is stored separately in the responses. Enable Add Other if you want users to type their own answer. When they choose Other from the drop-down, a text box appears for them to enter their custom value. This helps you capture answers you didn't list. Now let's move to the advanced settings of the drop-down field. Turn on Repeat this field when you want the same drop-down to repeat multiple times. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a box where you can enter the number of times this drop-down can repeat. For example, if you set it to 2, the user can add up to 2 drop-down rows in total. Then, enable Mark as sensitive data when the drop-down captures confidential information. Once enabled, only team members with the right permissions will be able to view this field's values in the responses section. The default value option lets you pre-select an option in the drop-down when the form loads. It's helpful when there is a common choice you want to show by default. For example, if most users usually choose travel, you can set travel as the default selection. The user can still change it, unless the field is disabled. When you enable Disable Field, the drop-down becomes read-only. Users can see the selected value, but cannot change it. In the Advanced tab, you'll also find Fill from Query Parameter. This lets the drop-down field auto-select a value based on what's passed in the URL. Just set the query parameter name, for example, hobby, and then share a link like hobby equals music. When someone opens the form with this link, the drop-down will automatically select music, as long as it exists in your list of options. And that's everything you need to know about the drop-down field in MakeForms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.